Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and let's get right into this little quick update. Just gonna do maybe a little 5-minute video on the portfolio. So far we're up 70.69% year to date. 3 months up 35.24%. Past month up 7%, and in the past week doing great numbers, up 10%. And at one point we finally crossed over $32,000. Just a couple days ago, I was talking about how we're almost past 30,000. Now we're way past 30,000. But for some moves right now, this number right here, this buying power, most of it, well, all of it is margin, right? And I don't know why they gave me so much margin, $47,657. That's actually quite a bit of margin. And if I was to use it, I would be taking a lot of risk because I do not want to be in a margin call. If you guys ever seen some of my old videos, I used to have well over 60% margin. So let's say if my portfolio is $30,000, I had well over 16, 17,000, $18,000 in margin, which would, my total portfolio value would be like 45, 46,000. But I got into margin when all of last year, all of my stocks were getting hammered. Shopify, everything, Neo, Palantir, all these stocks, Tesla, Meta, Amazon were getting hammered. So being in margin at that time was risky. I mean, being in margin anytime is risky, right? That's why my main focus right now would probably not to be buying anything with this money that I have here. Would be probably to just get rid of the margin entirely. And let's say, theoretically speaking, that this money was not margin and this would actually be in cash. What would I be doing with this money? Okay, so if this money was not margin and it was cash, I'll probably be buying some PayPal slowly over time. I would probably be buying Palantir slowly over time. Every time there would be a red day, I would probably buy some shares, all the way up to maybe even $20, and then leaving it up there to ride, right? I would also be buying some Tesla. I do believe Tesla over time will break its 52-week high. The 52-week high being around $400. So even if you're buying it right now, over time, you still could get a nice return, right? Same thing with Meta. Meta was a stock that was well over $300, and it's just a little over 300 right now. So you can get another 20-30% gain. But I would not be buying super heavy. I would be buying slowly, maybe one share every here and there whenever I see opportunity. Maybe we see a dip like right here, I would buy right here, I'd buy right here, I'd buy right here, I would buy like right here as well, because you know that Meta has the opportunity to get to $400 a share plus, right? Plus Amazon, another one that was an $80 stock that I would love to buy, but I just don't have the money right now, right? So I would probably be buying a share here, maybe a share here, slowly over time, because most likely I will be holding these and not really selling them for like 5-10 years plus. I'd also increase some of these ones right here: ChargePoint, IIPR, and MP. MP is actually a good one that's profitable. I would slowly build up a position in this one, but it's been trending downwards, as you can see, trending downwards. You have to see them doing better over time, but I would slowly buy some of MP. IIPR, one of my cannabis play, I would slowly buy into this as well. Slowly, right? Slowly over time. Once they start rolling, you're gonna start rolling up ChargePoint. Someone that's been struggling. Look at that, look at the trend just going down. I'll just slowly buy until I know for a fact over time ChargePoint will do good, will become profitable, but it will take some time. Still very early on in these companies. Like, look at that, it barely IPO'd 2019, so it did have a high when in that cycle of $46. Will we ever get back there? Maybe, but this is a stock that you need to hold for a very long time. Very long time. I'd also put some money into some ETFs, especially some ETFs that have a dividend. I would like to put some into this one right here. I would love to do that. Love to put some into this over time. Man, oh, and then people have been saying that we might actually have one of those markets that will, if you're in the big indices like Nasdaq or S&P 500 or Dow, if you're into in those, then we might see what they call a lost decade, where it would just go up and down and up and down and end up in the same place after 10 years. So it would be more beneficial to be in individual stocks, individual companies, because some companies will outgrow others, where others will not grow at all, and that'll be quite a market where a lot of will not be moving. Most companies, most portfolios will stay the same. So it would be like, if my portfolio, like how it is right now, $31,000, and then we'll come back 10 years from now, it'll still be around $30,000, which that would be quite scary if I don't add any money at all, right? But of course, if you buy at certain times in the market, even if the portfolios, even if stocks don't move much, still have good opportunities to put money in. When the market corrects a little bit, you have some opportunity to make 10-20% gains pretty quickly, like we've seen in the past couple months with certain stocks such as maybe Tesla, even NEO. Even if you were buying NEO at the lows in the $7-8 range, you could have made a 20-25% gain from this one. Like, for example, if you were buying around here, even here, you would be making 20-25% gain, which is very good. But and also I would have to get some Ethereum. I would like to get 10% portfolio diversity in crypto, so maybe some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, just to have some money into it. Over time, I know that these ones will probably grow. More people will adopt them over time. Just gonna be those things where that's why I'm a long-term investor. Where time is on my side. I'm still early on in the portfolio. I plan on being in this portfolio for many, many years. So yeah, that's a little quick update for you guys. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.